Your expert's ready to testify on this particular day, and he decides he's going to come in early. Find out why. If he comes in early, the judge is going to ask him to wait outside and not going to allow him to stay in the courtroom while other testimony is going on. Come join me as I share with you this remarkable information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law in the state of New York. I have a few minutes to share this great information with you here in Florida. I'm on vacation with my family. They're out on the beach picking shells, and I wanted to share this great stuff with you. So now, if your expert comes into court a little early for the sole purposes of trying to listen to see what's going on in court on your particular case, what will happen is the court officer is going to come over to your expert and say, "Excuse me, sir, are you a witness or a party to this particular case?" He's going to say, "Yes, I'm an expert. I'm going to be testifying shortly." In that instance, the court officer is going to ask him to wait outside. "I'm sorry, sir, you're going to have to wait outside the courtroom, and when we're ready to call you, we will let you know." So why do they do that? The court does that in order to prevent the next witness from taking information, whatever is going on in court at that moment. Maybe there's a witness on the stand who's testifying. Now that information may somehow influence the expert who's sitting and listening. Ideally, you want to have an expert who's there from the very beginning all the way through until the time he testifies. However, that's likely not going to happen. Instead, we now have to give the expert information before he gets on the witness stand to testify, including trial transcripts, so that now he can read the testimony of other witnesses who have gone before him. That's exactly why the court officer will now ask the expert to leave the courtroom, and when it's time for him to testify, he'll go out and bring him in, and now, "Mr. Expert, please take the witness stand." Ideally, we don't want this expert who's now sitting in for a half an hour or so before he's ready to testify to be influenced by anything that's going on in the courtroom, whether it's a witness or legal argument. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in the trial process in a medical malpractice case, in an accident case, or in a wrongful death case in the state of New York. You know, I realize you're likely watching this because you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, I do this every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at Oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.